Our story begins at Alla's Sea Pool in the heart of Helsinki, a place to take a deep breath before Slush gets beaming. This is where founders and investors come together, relaxing the Finnish way. Slight bodily discomfort meets cold dips and steaming hot intros. In the historical setting of Finlandia Hall, 2,000 investors meet before the main event to discuss the future of tech and venture. Every corner shouts deal-making, new partnerships are forged in roundtables, and great debates about the future take place on stage. At the Helsinki SkyWheel, one spin can change your fortune. Here, climate founders do not only get a bird's eye view of the city, but also see eye to eye with top backers in climate. There's even a sauna cabin. Slush seems to really like its saunas. The city joins the celebration. A fun week is ahead.